Okay, happened upon this sample sale and noticing that a lot of the labels on the clothing have some sort of certification. This one is organic cotton, grown according to organic agricultural standards, cotton farming industry. And then over here, let's see what this one says. This one says recycled acrylic. Recycled acrylic derived from pre-consumer waste such as scraps and discards from fabric mills. This How We Care label says Ecovera viscose. Fibers derived from controlled or certified wood sources and are made with at least 50% less carbon emissions compared to generic viscose. How We Care. Certified organic cotton. GRS certified recycled polyester. This one looks like leather. I'm not sure if it is. Responsible leather. Responsible leather manufacturing through the Leather Working Group, LWG, developed environmental audit protocols that assess the environmental performance of leather manufacturers. Certified responsible wool. Wool from farms independently certified to animal welfare and land management requirements. Nice. This one is certified recycled wool. Satchel. How is this satchel? Certified recycled polyester. Social, environmental, and chemical requirements. Okay, this one is certified recycled polyamide. Like running shorts or something. Apparently a very popular store. Here's a new one. Tensel, lyocell. Cotton controlled or certified with wood sources and are made with at least 50% less carbon emissions and water usage compared to generic lyocell. This is recycled viscose. Viscose? And a lot of IKEA shopping bags. Are they IKEA? Yep, they are IKEA shopping bags.